Hi, welcome you all to the mathematics session. I am Mrs. Mary, handling class 9 standard, chapter 2 decimal forms. You have studied in your previous class, in class 6, how to convert fractions with denominator in terms of 10, 100, 1000, etc. If it is 1 by 10, we will write a 1 and depending on the number of zeros, you will shift the decimal place to the left side. So, 1 by 10 means it is 0.1. If it is 25 by 100, first we will write it as 25. Depending on the number of zeros, we will shift the places to the left side. So, 2 places to the left side, it will become 0.25. Similarly, if it is 375 divided by 1000, that is equal to, first we will write 375 and depending on the number of zeros, we will shift to the left side, 3 places to the left side and it becomes 0.375. But in a fraction, not only powers of denominators having 10, 100, 1000, etc. There will be fractions with other denominators. Let us take some other example. Let it be 1 by 2. Here it is not a power of 10, but we can make it as 10. That is by multiplying 5 in the numerator and denominator. If I am multiplying a 5 over here, I will get it as 10. So, the same number should be multiplied in the numerator also. So, it becomes 5 by 10, that is equal to 0.5. Same way, some other decimal, some other fraction if I am taking, it becomes, let it be 1 by 5. I can convert 5 into 10, that is, if I am changing, if I am supplying a 2 in the denominator. So, if I am supplying the 2 in the denominator, same thing I have to supply in the numerator also. That is, I have to multiply again by 2 also. Whatever we are doing in the denominator, same thing we have to do it in the numerator also. So, it becomes 2 divided by 10, which all of you know it is 0.2. Now, moving on to 1 by 4. 1 by 4 means 4 can be factorized. That is, I can write it as 1 by 2 into 2. Here also, I can make it as 10. How can I make it as 10? That is, if I am supplying a 5 in the denominator, not 1 5, 1 5 I have to supply it for this 2. So, that I can make it as a pair of 10. Same way another 5 I have to supply it in for this 2. So, that again a 10. So, 2 5s I have supplied in the denominator, same 5s I have to supply in the numerator also. So, it becomes here into 5 into 5. That is 25 by 100. So, 25 by 100 means it is 0.25. Now, it is easy to convert. So, again some other fractions if we are taking, we will take it as 1 by 8. So, we have to take the factors of the denominator first. So, the factors of the denominators are 1 by, I can write this 8 as 2 into 2 into 2. There I have to multiply again 3 5s over there in the denominator, so that I will get it as 10. So, I am multiplying 1 5 over here, 1 5 over this side and third 5 for this one. So, that I am getting pairs as 10. So, these 3 5s I am multiplying in the numerator also, so that it is 5 into 5 into 5 in the numerator. So, we will get the answer as 5 into 5 into 5, we can see it is 125. divided by 10 into 10 into 10, it is 1000. So that is equal to 0.125. So you can see that in each case, I am converting to powers of 10. Similarly, some other example we will take it. Let it be 1 by 125. What happens to 125? What is this 125? We have to factorize it. Since you don't know the factors of 125, we can factorize it first. So factorizing this 125, you know that is only divisible by 5. So if I am factorizing that, 5 2s are 12, sorry 5 2s are 10, then we will get it as 25. Again factorizing, let it be again with 5 only it will be factorized, again 5, again if I am dividing you will get it as 1. So the factors of 125 are, I can write this as 5 into 5 into 5. This also I can make it as pairs of 10. So for making it as pairs of 10, I have to supply 2 in the denominator. How many 2's we have to supply? How many 5's are there? That much 2's we have to supply. So I am supplying 1 2 over here, another one here, and the third here. So each one you can see that I am making it as pairs of 10. And those 3 2's I have supplied, those 3 2's I have to supply in the numerator also. So in the numerator it becomes 2 into 2 into 2. And that is equal to 8 by 1000. So what is 8 by 1000? I have to write first that 8, then shift 3 decimal points to the left side so that it becomes 0.008. So now I will move on to another one, that is if it is 1 by 20. What happens if it is 1 by 20? We have to take the factors of 20 there also. So the factors of 20 are, 20 can be written as 4 into 5, or you can factorize that. If you are factorizing 20, we know that it is, if I am factorizing by 2, you will get it as 10. Again factorizing by 2, we will get it as 5. Again if I am factorizing by 5, I will get it as 1. So that this will be 1 by 2 into 2 into 5. So now you can see that's 2 2's and 1 5. What we will do there? We have to supply, wherever 2 is there, we will supply 5, and wherever 5 is there, we will supply 2. So I am multiplying here by 5. Here 2 is there, so here I am multiplying by 5, whereas here I am having 5, so I am multiplying 2. Same thing what I have done there, I have to multiply in the numerator also. That is, this I am here, I am multiplying 5, 2 5's I have already multiplied, another 1 2. So that becomes in the numerator 25 into 2 is 50 divided by how many 10's are there? 10 into 10 into 10, that becomes 1000. So the answer will be 50, first I am writing here, then 3 zeros are there, 3 decimal points to the left side. So it is 0.050 because 3 zeros are there in the denominator, 3 places we have to move it to the left. So that is about 1 by 20. Now some little complicated fraction we will take it. Let it be 1 by 160. So while taking 160, first I will factorize this 160. So 2 times, it becomes 80. Again factorizing, you will get it as 40. Once again factorizing, you will get it as 20. Next you will get it as 10. Next, if I am doing with 2, I will get it as 5. So, you can see how many 2's it is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 2's and 1 5. So, the denominator I am writing it as 3, 4, 5 2's I am writing 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 1 5. Now, each 2 we have to convert into 10. Each 2 we have to make it as pairs of 10. So, I need to supply 1 5 here, here one more, here one more, here another one, this side also one more and here one 2. Same thing will multiply in the numerator. So, numerator how many 5's? 5 5's and 1 2 should be multiplied. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then one more 2 we have to multiply there. So, I am multiplying 1 2 also there. Now, we are getting the pairs of 10. See that how many pairs I am getting here. So, that is equal to, we will multiply the numerator first. Multiplying the numerator, 5 into 5 25, 25 into 25 is 625, 625 into 10 will be the numerator. See the denominator, how many 10's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 10's are there. So, we are getting here 625 into 10 divided by 6 10's. And since in the numerator and denominator 1 10 is common, I cancel that 10. Remaining, I will get it as 625 divided by 5 zeros it is there, that means it is 1 lakh. So, divided by 1 lakh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, that 625 by 1 lakh we can convert into decimal form very easily. That is, first we can write this as 625. Then, in order to put the decimal point, I have to shift 5 places to the left side. So, 1 place here, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, it becomes 0.00625. Now, if if it is coming as a addition, in between addition if fractions are coming, how will you deal with this? We will just see one small example. That is, let it be 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5 square plus 1 by 5 cube. So, in the first one denominator it is 5. We can convert into 10 by multiplying here by 2. So, I can write the first one as 1 by 5, denominator I can multiply by 2, the same thing I can multiply in the numerator. Then plus, see the second one, it is 5 into 5, 5 square means it is 5 into 5. So, I can multiply here to this side also I can multiply by 2. Same thing I can multiply both 2's, I am multiplying in the numerator also. Same way in the third one, 3 5's it is coming in the denominator. So, again multiply that much, how much 5's are there, supply that much 2's in the denominator, so that the numerator becomes 2 into 2 into 2. Now, simplifying that, we will get first term, we will get it as 2 by 10. Second one we will get it as 4 by 100. Third term we will get it as 8 by 1000. That is equal to 0.2 plus 0.04 plus 0.008. Adding all this, we will get it as 0.248. So, you saw in all these in previous examples, so many examples I have shown you here. These all we can say that it is not in powers of 10. These all are in powers of 2, 5 or powers of 2 or 5. In order to convert such fractions which is having denominator 2 or 5, We just have to multiply it by powers of 2 or 5 and make it as pairs of 10, so that it is easy to convert to decimal forms. So, the next session will be dealing with the other fractions having denominators some others, that is other than 2 or 5. Thank you.